Follow a technical tutorial on how to install a server, configure decoders to build a video wall. To begin, we use 2 decoders along with one all-in-one server to create the video wall. First, we verify the IP addresses of the decoders and the server. Here are the IP addresses for the 2 decoders and the server. Next, we access both decoders through a web browser, which has already been opened. Once both decoders are accessed, one decoder is configured as the master, while the second is set as the general decoder. For this configuration, first open the decoder interface in a web browser and log in using the default username, admin. Next, verify in the basic settings that one decoder is configured as general. On the second decoder, change the basic configuration to master, save the settings, and reboot the device to apply the changes. Still in restarting. The decoder has restarted. Open it again by double-clicking and log in. As you can see, the settings are now updated and the decoder is set as the master. Next, we add the general decoder to the master decoder. Go to the affiliation menu, select the decoder already listed, enter its password, and save the changes. Next, we move to the server settings. For this setup, we are using the standard version, Pollo PVMS Plus. Open the software by entering the server's IP address in your browser, which can also be confirmed from the decoder menu. Then, log in using the default server ID and password. After opening PVMS Plus, go to Resource Management. There, you will see the wall displayed in the list, showing online. Now we are adding the decoder here, the master decoder. We will configure the settings on the master decoder. Now go to the TV wall settings and create a new TV wall. Then select the matrix according to the configured decoders. Here, our decoder is now visible. You can view the display by dragging and dropping the HDMI source of that camera onto the screen. Now we can add the cameras. For this, go to Resource Management, Encoding Device. From here, select the cameras, NVRs, or DVRs that you want to display. follow the same process as we used to add devices to the software. After that, go back to the TV wall, click on the plus icon, and add the channels to multiple screens as required. After creating the channels, go to the list and drag and drop the devices onto the channels to view them. Once everything is set, save the layout. Lastly, go to Settings and select Join Now to complete the process. This is how you can configure multiple channels and devices on your video wall. Thank you.
Polo, be aware, be safe.